Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Well guys, as you have all seen in my thumbnail, so today I'm gonna do noodles mukbang with egg omelette, onion and mustard leaves, mustard green leaves, and see, grapes, garlic, coriander leaves. So I'm gonna have all this. First I'll show you how I prepare my noodles. I'll show you my simple recipe, so stay tuned. Look at this. This is very simple ingredients. I'm gonna add this onion, tomato, green chili, turmeric powder, and little chili powder. So that's enough. I'm gonna fry this one first. Do my onion or tomato chop ko ina rakha ase. Chili powder. Now let's put noodles. Mustard leaves too low. Ito ra hoy jawa. Aru yedi ba coriander leaves. Ita tuita lawa. Aru yedi ba garlic lawa. Cho, ito ra hoy jawa. So before I start, let me have a short prayer. So let's start. Ooh. Yummy, yummy. So tasty. Over this ase. Guys, aji to moi ko TV jana hai aur moila amma baba bhai dakan do sob pani kiti de na pani saule jaise do moila phuni mojini pachina ase aur tai do camera de nai bo ko ase to moi ekla gore ase mukbang aur bishi des ase moi bra banai she ole bishi des ase. Pani lo lo kiri ase. Guys, I'm then the same my background change কৰিছে পাহাড়ে বইনা দেখিছে ওইলে পানি বেশি গিরি আছে ইদুরা ইদি বইনা আছে ইদা তো মই ইদু ভিডিও কমপ্লিট কৰি দিব পাই না সিট চেঞ্জ কৰি না আছে আৰু মই ইদু ইদি কমপ্লিট কৰিব Guys, I'm done and that is all for today. Ajila noodles mukbang yadi end kori dibo. So thank you so much everyone for watching till the end and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.